All right, I don't really do videos, but I'm gonna do one today. So this is a Jagrom brand battery, and I tried looking for a teardown of this, and I was not able to find anything at all on the internet in 2 minutes of Googling, so therefore it doesn't exist. So we're just gonna take it apart and see what's inside. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's a 5S battery. Pretty sparse, although it does have overcurrent protection and a thermometer, which is pretty great. These are QIXIN brand 2000 milliamp, 3.7 volts. So they're undervolting these pretty hard, which is nice, but it's only 2000, which is pretty mediocre. I'll put some info about the specifics, like discharge rate, if I can find it. This is a 24D05-F, 18650. The inside case is pretty simple, although there is ventilation all throughout, which is pretty great. And it's pretty stout. I'm actually impressed with it. Pretty easy to take apart. The battery checker on the back is just a simple board with some lights and a voltage divider. Pretty simple, but effective. It goes into some clips. So that's what's in a Jagrom battery. And I'll put it back together. Got the pouch and board in first. Get it tight. And then the battery holder has little tabs that hold down the ball here. Check. There we go. And that's what and that's there. I'm forced to put it in part two. Yeah, hold tight. So it does not say what voltage to charge it at. In fact, I can find absolutely no information anywhere online about what voltage to charge at. So I've been doing 20 volts, and that seems to get it up a little ways, but I need to check on the actual, while it's on the charger, I need to probe it. So there you go. And these fit, they sort of fit Makita batteries. They're suspiciously similar, but even though they fit and it recognizes that there's a battery, it won't actually run the tool. No idea why not. Anyways, but it works fine on simple things. Like I made this battery powered fan and light combo with multiple fan speeds, and it works just fine on the Makita or the Jagrom. In fact, I prefer the Jagrom because the footprint is actually larger than the Makita and flatter, so it doesn't tip over. It's much more solid.